Hey guys, and welcome to your practice on expanded form. I need you to get your whiteboard, your marker, your pencil, and this paper. My homeroom, this paper is in your packet. Miss Ogletree's homeroom, this paper is in your binder. All right, let's get to it. So you guys seem to really be enjoying yourselves practicing with this yesterday, so I'm going to pick up, or the other day rather, so I'm going to pick up on number 11. So number 11, 4 plus 7 tenths. Okay, so we have 4 plus 7 tenths here, and we would write that as our 4 is in the ones place. We want to make sure our 4 is in the ones place, so that means our decimal is behind it, and then 7 tenths. So that means our 7 is going to go in what place value? The tenths. Exactly. So there we are. Here is our answer. Now, here's what you're going to see differently in IXL. So in IXL, you're going to see it written like this. Now, question. Does this say 7 tenths? Yes, it does. Does this say 7 tenths? Yes, it does. Sorry about the focusing, guys. So these answers are going to be the exact same. So I'm going to erase this. We're going to try to make it through this without the focusing issues. So number 12 says 400 plus 80 plus 2 plus 9 tenths. So when you see this on your IXL or maybe even in class, this can also be written in expanded form like this, but you get the same outcome. So 400, so it's the 4 is in the hundredths place. Good job. We have 80, so the 8 is in the, go ahead and say it. Yes, it is in the tenths place. Our 2, it's all by itself, so it must be in the, in the ones place. And now we have either a fraction or the decimal situation here, so we know we have our and, we have our decimal. 9 tenths is in the tenths place. So really, with it being the decimal in IXL, I think it's going to make it even easier for you guys because it's showing you exactly where it goes, right? So that's nice. Okay, I think we have time for one more. Let's look at the next one. 500 plus 90 plus 2 plus 2 tenths plus 1 100th plus 2 1,000ths. My goodness. Okay, so this is a big one. So for this one, you would see instead of 2 tenths as a fraction, you would see it this way. Instead of 1 100th as a fraction, you would have a 1 in the hundredths place. So that reads as 1 100th, just like this does. And then instead of having 2 1,000ths as a fraction, you might see 2 thousandths as a decimal. But again, it's even more of a hint, so I think it's probably going to be even easier for you. So 500, my 5 is, so let's erase the fraction part so it's not as confusing. So 500, 5 is in the hundreds place. 90, so 9 is in the tenths place. Good job. 2 is by itself, so it's in the ones. Decimal goes on the right side of the ones place. Always, always, always. 2 is in the tenths. 1 is in the hundredths. 2 is in the thousandths. So this number reads, read it with me, you guys, 592 and 212 thousandths. Exactly. So you have an assignment in IXL to do, and that is going to be converting between expanded and standard form. So you'll get that done in IXL, and make sure that you get this paper done as well. I suggest doing the IXL first because it's going to help you along the way, and then once you feel like you're a professional, then you can knock out the paper. All right, best of luck to you. I know you got this, you guys. See you soon.